Hey, this is Jerry Mannix again, and today we're going to talk about the importance of taking care of your HVAC system and the importance of good maintenance. This particular system is an air handler indoor section of a heat pump, and we are in an attic, and that is a filter, and that is the single most important thing you can do for your HVAC system is to make sure this filter has been cleaned. It's like changing the oil in a car, and I'll explain why. We're going to pop this one off. I want to take a look in here, and as you can see, this is a nice big 4-inch filter. This 4-inch filter actually is very beneficial and more forgiving because it has more surface area. All these cleats, if we were to pull it apart, we have a lot more surface area than if we had a smaller 1-inch filter. So if you can get these larger filters installed when your system is replaced, it's certainly very beneficial. This one, as you can see, is pretty gray. This filter comes white, so it definitely does need to be replaced. And according to the date here, it's only 2 months old. Now, what happens if you don't change your filter? These get clogged. They resist the airflow through the system. That causes your system to work harder because inside here is a coil, and that coil is transferring heat to the outdoor unit. And if it's getting the airflow blocked, it's going to take longer for that to happen. The other thing that's going to happen is dirty air is going to try to bypass this because it can't get through it, so it's going to try to work its way around it. And when it works its way around it, it clogs the coil and builds up on the coil. Well, when a unit is an air conditioning, an air conditioner's function is two things: to cool and dehumidify. While it's dehumidifying, the coil itself is sweating, and that washes that dirt off of that coil, and it gets into a drain, and it goes into this drain line. And you can see this drain line here really should be insulated because this is kind of moldy and so forth from cold water being in it. But the water goes into this drain, and most air handlers have to have this trap in it. And this drains out of the house here. But this trap is a prime area for that dirt that is washed off the coil because it bypassed the dirty filter, and it collects in here. Many contractors put a little clean out in here so we can get down there and flush that out. This is a union, a great idea. So this way we can disconnect this, clean from inside here, and then we can also blow out and flush out this line better than if we just had this port here, because we have no way of isolating the two ways, because if we press down there, some of it goes here, some of it goes that way. So it's extremely important for you to change your filter. That's something every homeowner can do. It's the most important thing, just like changing the oil in your car. If you don't change your filter, your unit's not going to last nearly as long, and you're going to have continued service problems. If you don't feel comfortable changing your filter or doing your regular service, this drain absolutely must be flushed at least at the beginning of every cooling season. And depending on where you are in the hotter parts of the country, like in Florida, it should be done several times during the year because you get bacteria and so forth that build up in it. We offer that service. We can come out, do a maintenance. It should be done at least twice a year. So if you want, visit our website, mannixhvac.com. We have a whole section there dedicated to maintenance, what we do on our maintenance visits, spring and fall. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.